The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. At Krasny Liman direction, the Russian troops successfully impeded the enemy's efforts to cross the Zhorobets River at night, close to the settlements of Novovodinoye in Lugansk People's Republic and Torskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. The Russian artillery's overwhelming barrage stopped and forced back the advancing Ukrainian armed forces troops. In total, 25 Ukrainian servicemen were killed, as well as 2 infantry combat vehicles and 2 pickup trucks. At Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction, Russian troops foiled 2 offensive attempts of the Ukrainian Battalion Tactical Group close to Davidov Brod and Sukhoy Stavok in Kherson region. Attempts of up to 20 Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance formations to enter the rear regions at night were also foiled. The concentrated fire of Russian artillery and the active actions of Russian troops neutralized more than 120 Ukrainian servicemen, 6 armored fighting vehicles and 13 cars. A hangar containing foreign-made Ukrainian military equipment was destroyed by a high-precision strike of the Russian aerospace forces close to Novaya Kamenka in Kherson region. At Zaporozhye direction, Ukrainian forces in small groups attempted to attack Russian positions in the vicinity heights near Vremevka. The Russian troops successfully repulsed all the attacks. The enemy was driven back to their initial positions. More than 40 Ukrainian personnel were neutralized, as well as 2 tanks, 3 armored fighting vehicles and 5 Ukrainian pickup trucks. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery annihilated 3 command posts in Drobyshevo of Donetsk People's Republic and Novovoznetsenskoye in Kherson region, as well as 69 artillery units and firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 167 areas. In addition, units of the armed forces of Ukraine and foreign mercenaries were hit in 8 temporary locations near Kamyshevacha in Zaporozhye region, Sadok, Bezemennoye, Patikatki in Kherson region, Kramatorsk, Artyomovsk in Donetsk People's Republic, the city of Nikolaev and Zaporozhye. 2 depots storing ammunition as well as rocket and artillery armament of the Ukrainian armed forces were destroyed in the towns of Ukrainka of Kherson region and the city of Zaporozhye. A gasoline storage facility for Ukrainian military equipment was destroyed near the town of Novogrigorovka in Nikolaev region. The Russian air defense facilities eliminated 6 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles in the territories of Novoandreevka in Donetsk People's Republic, Skadovsk, Vysokoye in Kherson region, and the Kakhovskaya hydroelectric power plant. Moreover, 33 HIMARS multiple launch rocket system projectiles and 2 HARM anti-radar missiles were shot down above the Kherson region settlements of Otrada Kamenka, Korsunka, Antonovka and Novaya Kakhovka, as well as Kremenная in Lugansk People's Republic. In total, 324 airplanes and 162 helicopters, 2,302 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 5,939 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 874 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,513 field artillery cannons and motors, 6,685 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.